Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how you can add subscribe button to your videos. So the first step is to go into your browser, then type in pixabay.com, then under the search bar change to videos, right there subscribe, then search for simple videos about subscribe buttons. Then let's scroll down and check which one is best for us. So let's see the first one. So if you like that, you can download. Let's scroll to check more. And so this is good and most commonly used. So I fast forwarded this section so you can just play on your own and see how effective is it from the Pixabay website directly. So there's so many, you can choose which one to use. They're all free to use. So I'm using KineMaster Pro Premium user. I'm a premium user. If you don't know how to get premium user for free, check the link on the description. I explain everything in detail. Okay, so the first thing is to import your projects. Import your video. Create 16:9 is commonly used aspect ratio. Then select the video you want to add to edit. So I'll choose the first one. Then go to play the video and listen. Go to layer, then media. Then look for the subscribe button you downloaded from the Pixabay website. So select anyone that's your favorite. Then it will come like this as green screen. So check it very well if it's the one you like it. So the next step is to balance that subscribe button to be at the exact section you want. So I like it to be at the very bottom. So let me check how it comes. Yeah. So I like it there. So the next thing is to click on the green screen video subscribe button, then scroll on the right, search for chroma key, then enable it. If you enable, it will remove the green color from the button. Now I want to duplicate it so that I can place it any other place at the end of the video maybe. So if you want to place it in any other place, just go top left, duplicate, then drag to the position you want it to be. So I want it at the end of the video. So I will edit that section and reduce the timing. Then let me see how it appears. Quite fine. So You can't if you import it every time, then you'll have to edit everything from scratch. So it's easy to duplicate. Thank you. Subscribe.